You guys already know this video is going to be lit because I, Email. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So today for you guys, you know what? This 24/7 email really isn't banging today, man. It's not getting my whole wide depth of field. So you know what? I'm going to swap over to the Tamron 20mm f2.8 lens. There you go. I'm going to swap over to that in 3, 2, 1, boom. That's a lot better. 20mm on the camera. Look at that. You can see a much more wider depth of field. Anyway, so I picked myself up Apple Watch. As you guys can see there. So this is the Apple Watch SE, the 2022 version. So you know what? I picked one up. Obviously you guys know I'm not really a big Apple fanboy, but I just picked up the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is right there. Look at that. What a stunning phone. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna get the watch and pair it up and see if I just wanted to see what the Apple Watch hype is all about. I might return it if I don't like it. I might not like it. I don't know, but yeah. Let's unbox it real quick and we'll check it out. So guys, we are literally on charge right now because I've got the lead literally plugged into my PC because it died on me. But yeah, I've got my iPhone 14 Pro Max here and I have the watch right here. So let's quickly set this up and I'll show you guys the procedure of how to get it set up as well. As you can already see, I have the little prompt over there telling me that obviously that there's an Apple Watch that needs to be connected to. So let's connect to it. So continue. Oh, okay. Gives you this option, set up myself or set up for a family member, I'm guessing. So obviously I'm setting up for myself, so let's see. Now it's telling me to hold Apple Watch to the camera. Oh, so it was telling me to hold, oh, you can see my face. It's telling me to hold the Apple Watch to the camera. Bearing in mind I haven't set it up on here yet. I haven't even put in the language and all of that shizzle, but we're gonna just do what what the app tells us to do, and yeah, okay, boom, okay. So I'm holding it. Hold enable. Actually, maybe we have to set it up here first. So let me just quickly set it up. Comes up with this option here. Obviously, when you select your language and your country, so we're gonna click that. Let's see what it does. Oh, okay. So it comes up with this thing. Well, I'm guessing that's what you scan that with. So scanning. Oh, okay. It picked it up. It picked it up. Look at that. That's the little thing it does when it picks it up. That's pretty cool. But yeah, right, what is it saying now? Checking for updates. I'm just gonna click done for now. Skip the update. I'm just gonna skip the update for now, so please continue. Okay. Wrist. Oh well, it gives you the option, what wrist are you gonna be wearing the watch on? So that's my left wrist, so my left wrist is gonna be the one I'm wearing it on. And then you just have to agree to the terms and conditions and all that shenanigans. So agree to everything. Signing into my account now. Obviously, I'm guessing that's to link the watch and the phone together. So yeah, it's gonna have to wait and see what it does. So the Apple Watch, yeah, let me just let you guys know, it looks absolutely beautiful, man. Obviously, I would have liked to get the bigger one, but I don't know. I feel like the bigger one, because I watched some YouTube videos and they say the straps on the bigger one is like wider, so it wouldn't have looked good on my wrist, I reckon. So I think the thinner one would have been good, but then the only thing is that I then, what do you call it? I lose out on the bigger face, which is a little bit annoying. But at the end of the day, I want it to be comfortable in on my wrist and not really, get in the way. I don't want to have to keep fidgeting around with it to like move it or put it in a certain position so it doesn't like annoy my wrist. And also my arm, my wrist is quite like narrow, if that makes sense. So from here, where's the good lighting? Okay, there. Okay, so from like here to like there, it's quite short. So I need something small to like fit in there so it doesn't like irritate it too much. So I need something like small to fit in that little gap, and this is perfect just to fit in there. Perfect. So yeah, but yeah, it's a nice design. It's a shame they don't do it in black, but I mean this midnight, it's basically a midnight blue, but it kind of looks like it's black. But if you look properly, you can tell that it's blue. But it's not too bad. It's alright. I mean, I wanted it to go with my phone, as in like the dark, kind of feature or whatever, but it doesn't matter anyways. Okay, so what's this? It's telling me to share products onto the watch. I don't want that, so don't share. You can create a passcode, but obviously I'm not going to do that. Don't use passcode. Okay. Ooh, came up with some stuff. It's now telling me to pick how bold I want the, what do you call it? The thing to be. Like the writings and stuff. I'll just go with the default one. Oh wow, it gives you a little thing to tell you if you want it as a list or you want it as that. But that looks pretty cool, so I'm gonna go with that. I'll go with the grid instead of the list. Oh, okay. Okay, so I think it's all set up on the phone. Yes, it's all set up on the phone. That's pretty cool. Oh wow, that's cool. So you can see all the apps that it works with. So there we go, all watches. So this is basically all the apps that it works for. That's really cool. So all the apps there is what it works with. And then I'm guessing I'm guessing on the app you can update, you can upgrade, do whatever you need to do on here. Oh wow, you can even change the coloring. You can change what kind of clock you want on it. That's pretty cool, man. That's freaking awesome. That is so cool. Remove face watch. That is so damn freaking cool. Look at that. You got loads of options, loads of stuff you can do on it. Do with the watch. I don't know if you can add your own pictures. I don't even know, man.
I'm not sure I understand.
Cancel. Bruv. Hey, there we go. Right, okay, like I was explaining to you guys about my wrist, yeah? Because I have a short wrist, I think this one is perfect. If I got the bigger one, it would have been a little bit irritating. But then, like I said, it's something that you have to think about. But it's like a little... I had to take the hit because I wanted the bigger one, the 45-inch, but I mean the 45 mil, but I couldn't get it because I knew for a fact that my wrist is small and I won't be able to be comfortable at all. So look at this. Look at that. Okay, so so you swipe up and then you get all your like, I don't know, like your quick access stuff. They can see how many percent the battery is on as well. 50%. This thing charges quick, bruh. It was completely dead and I put it on charge. So I've been on record for like 10 minutes and it's already had 50% charge. That's freaking awesome, man. It also has low power mode as well. That's cool. That could come in handy. No, let me wear this. Let me get this off so you guys can see. Well, look at that. It's got low power mode as well, so you can flick that on when you're running low on battery. But yeah, like I was saying, if you swipe up, then you get all these options, which is pretty damn cool. Like quick access stuff. That's pretty cool, man. You can put it on flight mode. You can put it on vibration. Oh. Ooh, that's cool. Yeah, you can put it on vibration. Oh no, wait, that's not vibration. That's if you lose your phone, then you press that button, and then it rings your phone, and then you can find your phone. That's pretty cool. So you press this. Ooh, that is nice. Look at that. So you press that button, the big button on the side. So you press it, and then it comes up with this, and then oh, that's so cool, man. The animation is so nice and smooth as well. I mean, I wonder how many hertz this watch is on, man. I wonder how much, like how many hertz it's on. Cause look at that, it's so smooth. Look at that, it's so freaking smooth, man. Oh wow, so pretty much most of the Apple apps that I have on my phone is actually on here. Oh my God, someone's calling me. It's my sister again, like in my previous video. There's no way. There's no way. Hello? Why? Bro, there's audio coming from the watch. That's mad. I'm just making a video, P.
Oh, you bought the watch. Oh, okay.
Oh, no, it's calm. Stay on the phone. It's mine now.
Yeah, oh, okay.
What one?
I'm looking at cars and we found...
That was a cool experience, man. There was actually audio coming out from the freaking watch. That's sick. That is awesome, man. That is so cool. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. That's been the unboxing on the what do you call it, the Apple Watch SE 2022 series. So yeah, if you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more unboxing videos, you want to see me test more Apple products as well, so you guys can see my reaction, then smash that like button and let me know down in the comment section below as well, so I know. Also, yeah, I don't know. Subscribe. It's free. Why might as well just click that subscribe button. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.